Because if you may ignore, if you're not mad, they may ignore. No matter what I came more, you may call it a distraction. But to me, it's not. Now listen.
Chief of commander in chief of terrorists.
Now, I don't know if you are paying attention. Are you paying attention at all? I understand what many of us have said, though. I know that it's a distraction, it's a waste of money, waste of time. There's no need. Government, it is your duty to accept insult. Insult differs. What you are saying is just like you as a parent. You have maybe 3 or 4 children. One of your child decided to call you Obumad, Oyarolana, Oboch publicly. He said, "No, I don't want to caution my son or my daughter. I don't want to say anything. It's an insult, and it's a waste of time. And I don't want to say anything. It's a distraction. I don't want to say anything. When you don't want to say anything because you as a parent, is your duty to take insult." Nah, I don't understand it. So that's me. Like I said, we are all brothers and sisters. We have right to our own opinion. To me, I don't think it's right. It's the right answer. I don't think it's something you should ignore. I doubt. That is me. All right, that is me. I'm being honest. So I want to listen to that again. Now, she called her name. She started by Ngozi Orabueze. I think if you drag her to court on that, you are not going to win because she may claim, her lawyer will tell her to say that she was not talking to you, Ngozi Orabueze. She was talking to Ngozi Orabueze. But in the same sentence, after calling her Ngozi Orabueze, she went on by saying Ngozi Orabueze, the chief armed forces of the terrorists. At that point, she's calling every man on ground terrorist. Like again, because you may not understand the gravity of what she's saying. Yeah, you may be, let us ignore it. Ignore it. But the consequences and the meaning of that thing to anybody who care to pay attention it's not something that you can massage like that. That is my own opinion. I have right to that. And listen.
When yesterday I went to information, don't I? When asking before when our live program, I'm gonna have one of the
okay. She's trying to be relevant, and we have a caller. Hello.
Hello, Kai. Good morning.
Good morning to you.